Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do our application problem. Of course, if you are feeling up to the challenge and would like to share it with me on Seesaw, you can pause this video now and do this on your own piece of paper and then come back and watch to make sure you got all the things correct. So here's what I'm going to do first, and this is what you should always do. RDW, read, draw, write. This tells me what I'm going to do. It's like a roadmap on how I'm going to solve this problem. So let's go ahead and read this first. Samantha has 2 cartons with 6 eggs in each. As she opens the cartons, she drops 2 eggs. How many unbroken eggs does Samantha have? I read this like a reader. Now it's time to read it like a mathematician. I have my highlighter, but you certainly don't have to use a highlighter. You can underline. That's fine. Samantha has 2 cartons. I'm going to highlight 2 cartons with 6 eggs in each. Now I'm going to highlight 6 eggs in each because that tells me there are 6 eggs in each of these cartons. I know that there's not 6 eggs total. It's 6 eggs in each of the 2 cartons. As she opens the cartons, she drops 2 eggs. Now I'm going to highlight drops 2 eggs. And the reason I highlighted drops is because that tells me those eggs are no longer useful. She can't use them anymore. I'm even going to draw a little symbol above this so that I remember I'm subtracting. I'm taking those away. I can't use broken eggs. They're all over the floor. So I'm going to use my subtraction symbol. How many unbroken eggs does Samantha have? I'm going to highlight how many and unbroken. How many unbroken eggs does Samantha have? Now I can check off my reading. I read it like a reader and a mathematician. Now I'm going to do my drawing. Today I'm going to use a tape diagram. I'm going to draw my rectangle. I'm going to look back at my problem, and I'm going to see that I have 2 cartons. I'm going to split my tape diagram into 2 pieces. 1 carton, 2 cartons. And I know that it says 6 eggs in each. Okay, so I have 6 eggs in this carton. I have 6 eggs in this carton. Awesome. Now I need to figure out how many eggs altogether. And 6 plus 6, everybody? That's right, 12. 6 and 6 is 12. A multiplication problem I can use is 2 groups of 6, because I have 2 groups of 6, equals 12, which is the same as saying 6 plus 6 equals 12. But wait a minute, am I done? No, I only did part 1. Now I need to do part 2. As she opens the cartons, she drops 2 eggs. Oh, man, that's right. She had 12, then she dropped 2. I need to take 2 away. So I'm going to take my 12, and I'm going to take away 2. And that gives me 10. Okay, I did my drawing. Now I'm going to write my complete sentence to answer the question. Samantha has 10 unbroken eggs. Boom. Now I am done with my problem.